Hi everyone, it's Linnea Tucker. I just wanted to talk about my math lab and the way I've got it set up for you. All right, if you go down here to lecture guides, and we're working in module 1, and this may look different on your end because we're looking at this from an instructor end. I'm going to click on that and it downloads it. For me, it downloads it down here. And I'm going to click on that and open. And in every lecture guide, I'm going to put your vocabulary sheet first. Vocabulary is an important element of this course. So there's your vocabulary sheet. And here's the notes section. Oh, there we go. There's my notes section. Now, these are very compact because when we're on campus, I'm printing these out, but I'm trying to save paper. So I've got these very compact. And these lecture guides have space. They have the problem statement here, but they have space for you to write the answer in. I have the addition property of equality. It has space for you to write in what is that. So that's how you use these lecture guides. You'll download them to your computer and then you'll print them off. Now, let's say that you need more room to work than the space that I've provided for you. Sometimes this is not enough space. What you can do is go over to Moodle, and I am going to load for each module. If you come in here, here's the lecture guide. That's the PDF form of the lecture guide. That's the one you just downloaded in my math lab. I've also included the Word document form of the lecture guide. If you want to, you can open that up. And you can modify the document any way you want. You can go down here to the notes section if you want to do a Control A, which highlights everything. Go up here to layout, columns, and switch it from 2 back to 1. You can do that if you want to, or you can leave it in 2 columns and just add more space by hitting the enter like that. Okay, it's completely up to you, but I put those there so you can modify the document if you'd like to. Some people maybe don't like using a lecture guide. You're welcome to take notes on notebook paper. Just make sure you label each section as to what module it is and what lesson it is, and when you're done, put it in your 3-ring binder. Okay, so once you've decided which way you're going to take notes, pardon me, click in here on lecture videos, and here's a document that I am still putting together that has all the lecture videos. These are the same lectures that I would be doing on campus. If this is an on-campus class and you miss a day, you can come back here and get the lesson that you missed. Just come in here and click the link, and it'll take you straight to YouTube. All of your lecture guides follow these videos. And I might skip an example or two on the lecture guide. If I do that, you're welcome to skip it also or write the example on notebook paper. Any way you want to do that. Okay, so I hope this is helpful in how I've got this class structured. You can work on this class at your pace and get ahead of class. I put in due dates just to keep you on pace to complete this class in 8 weeks. All right, good luck, everyone.